Hello, 朋友们，大家好。Welcome to Marinate Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today, I'm making some delicious wings. This is salt and pepper chicken wings, and it's very tasty. If you make this for your guests, they will love it. The ingredients are in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by spreading the chicken wings. This will make sure the seasoning is spread evenly. Now season the wings with garlic powder, Shaohsing Cooking Wine, and salt. Mix everything together and let it marinate for 20 minutes. Now thinly slice the green onion. Then split the jalapeno in half and remove the seed. If you like it spicier, keep the seed in. Now slice the eating. I also have a red with mini pepper for color. Then crush some fresh garlic, remove the husk, and mix it. Now heat up some frying oil. You can use any frying oil you like. While the oil is heating up, add an egg to the wings. And coat it with cornstarch. Now start frying the wings. We are using a double frying technique. First fry for 10 minutes on medium heat. Then take the wings out of the oil and bring the heat up to medium-high heat. When the oil is hot enough, add the wings back in to make it crispy. When it's golden brown, take it out. Now using the same wok, add the minced garlic in and stir it up. Then add the green onion and peppers into mix. Let's add white pepper and the wings back in. Then add salt and chicken powder in. Mix it together and the dish is done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Looks so tasty. It's so flavorful. It is savory, spicy, and very fragrant. Layer best spicy from the jalapeno. The wings are crispy. The meat is so tender. It's very delicious. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见